Hey everyone, it's Julianna here, and today I'm filming a video about what being an influencer is really like, because nobody really talks about this, and I don't like how they don't talk about this. Because being an influencer, it's very hard. There's a lot that goes into it, and I just want to kind of tell you guys about it and share with you guys what it's like for me, because it's a lot, and I just want to be really real and raw with you guys and tell the truth and just be very open with y'all. So if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe down below and also hit that post notification bell so that every time I upload a new video, you're notified. And yeah, so let's get started. Okay, so first, I really want you guys to analyze everything that you do within your line of work. So if you're an influencer, really analyze what streams of income that you have. Are you an entrepreneur? Are you a YouTuber? Like, what do you do within your influencer work? Be very, very, very open with that. Kind of write it all down, you know, figure out what it is that you do. Do you do brand sponsorships? Do you do YouTube? Are you in a network marketing company? Like, really, what do you do? Because that's kind of the first step, is that kind of realizing what it is that you do so that you can build off of that and kind of break it all down. My second tip is you have to be very organized and get a planner. So I'm just going to be really honest with you guys and tell you all my streams of income and what I do as an influencer, because I don't have anything really to relate to it. So I'm going to tell you guys what I do personally, because that's all I have. So I am in a network marketing company for one, and then I'm also a YouTuber. And I also do like Instagram work, and I work with some companies. So I do a lot, and I'm pretty much doing all of it. So it's very hard sometimes to manage it all, but I want to help you guys, and I want to share with you guys everything that I do to manage it. So for my network marketing company, I'm with It Works, if you guys did not know, and it's really hard. So what I do is I have this little bullet journal, and I write a lot of it down. So like, we have distributors and then we have customers. For my customers, I have like my follow-up list right here, and then I have my people that I'm selling little sample packs to. I have a little list of that right here. So I write down the lists in a notebook, but then on my phone, I will take my phone, and then if I have somebody, let's say, that does a post for me on Facebook, I will write their name down in a notes tab, and then at the end of the month, I'll go back and reach out to them and be like, hey, thanks so much for posting for me. I'd like to send you a free sample. That's really helpful. And then I may kind of throw the business opportunity at them to see if they're interested in signing up for the business or even purchasing products. Because I like to kind of start off small and then build up, because that's what really helps you be successful with your businesses, and that's what is really going to help you grow. So I have lists on my phone, and then any little scripts or what I text people, I'll put that in my phone notes as well. And then, this is a lot, I know. When I reach out to, and then I have a planner. So I've talked about this planner constantly. It's my day designer, and I use my planner to make to-do lists, because making a to-do list and keeping on track with what your tasks is really important, so that you know what you're going to be doing that day. You can't do it all in one day, but you can, if that makes sense. So you really want to write down everything that you're wanting to get done that exact day, and then whatever you don't get done that day, move it over to the next day. If you have a lot to do that day, focus on your big important tasks first, and then whatever, if you have any time left, do that too. So like, for instance, this is my to-do list for today. It's quite a lot, and I had a lot to do, and I got a lot of that stuff done, and I signed up some customers, yada yada yada. So it's very important to kind of utilize your time and kind of really prioritize it and figure out what's more important and do those tasks. And then if you have extra time, like for instance, in 30 minutes, I have a team training, and then directly after that I have a Zoom with another corporate company. So it's a lot, and it's really hard that you have to do it, and it's really important that you utilize your time. So planner, you guys, planner. That's gonna really help you in the long run. And then also, my influencer work varies, so yeah, but the thing that stays the same every day is my network marketing stuff. So network marketing is pretty much the same thing every day. You reach out to people, you add people on Facebook, you add people on Instagram, you look up on people, you interact with people, you comment on people's posts, yada yada yada. you literally do the same stuff for network marketing, but for YouTube, it's completely different. You have to do different things in each day. Like one day I may be editing, one day I may be filming, one day I may be doing a sponsored video, yada yada. It literally varies for YouTube, but the thing that stays the same every day is Instagram and Facebook and network marketing. But the thing that doesn't stay the same and that varies is YouTube, because YouTube work is very, very, very unpredictable, and it's very common that you may sometimes not have any work for YouTube, and then you sometimes may be having a lot of work for YouTube. So it just depends on what type of month that you're having. And then another thing is really understand the income producing activities that you have for your network marketing businesses. And this is going to help you get growth and movement within your work and business. I personally like to post 3 to 6 times a day on my social media, both my Instagram and my Facebook. And then also I like to post a little bit on my Twitter, but Twitter I don't really focus a lot on. And then for YouTube, I like to post at least 2 videos a week. And if I can do more, that's great. If I can't, that's totally fine. And then I also like to do Facebook and Instagram live videos. I like to respond to comments on people's posts, as well as comments on my posts and on comments on my YouTube. I like to respond to messages, do host to posts for my network marketing businesses, which is basically where I get somebody to post a post for me, and then I reach out to the customers that comment on their post and kind of build my network like that. And literally, there's just so many things that you can do to kind of grow your network marketing business, but be very, very, just like kind of figure out what works best for you and then do that. But this is for my business. It may be very different for your business, so just kind of find out what works for you. And then for my YouTube work, I like to do the activities like responding to comments, or I like to film, I like to edit, I create my thumbnails, I, kind of advertise that on my socials as well. And then I research and all that. So also, it's very important to take time to yourself. If you do not take time to yourself, you're gonna burn out and like get so bored from what you do, and you're not gonna enjoy doing it anymore. So really take time to yourself. Give yourself that free time. Give yourself that break. Sleep, watch Netflix, have a free day, like do me time, like have a spa day. Just do something that makes you happy and that kind of gives you a break from work and life, because that's really gonna help you to kind of separate the two and give you more of a balanced lifestyle. And then also the last thing is I like to work out in the mornings, because it really kind of helps to kickstart my day, and I also like to have a routine. I didn't post. Now, I talked about having a routine in my last video, because my last video was really important. It was kind of like how I like work in a day, and it was just a really important video. And I pretty much talked about having a set schedule and having a routine and kind of having structure to your day, but having a routine is so crucial to being very successful in your business and all aspects of your work life. So, having a routine is very important. Wake up at the same time in the morning, have a morning routine, eat your breakfast, get ready a little bit. You don't have to get ready full glam, but maybe getting ready a little bit in your day is going to be helping you to be more successful, because if you're going to be wanting to lay in bed in your pajamas and work like that, then you're not going to get very much done, versus if you put a pair of jeans on and then sit at your desk, you're going to get a lot done, because you're sitting in that work environment and you're getting a lot done. Also, it's going to be more beneficial in the long run, because you're getting into that routine and you're kind of putting your mind in that position, and that kind of tells you, okay, it's work time, it's not sleep time. So remember, you have to take care of yourself. You have to kind of separate your time sometimes. You got to do things that's good for you, and then you also have to work and grind and do those things. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Oh, that hurt so bad. I'm still recovering from my wisdom teeth surgery. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up if you did. Also comment down below any video requests that you have for me, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.